Do you know about the gender discrimination? Okay, can you tell me about your opinion?
Maybe the question is too general. What would you like to know more precisely?
How do you feel when you hear something about gender abusement, harassment, or maybe discrimination?
Of course, no one feels comfortable about this when hearing that there are cases maybe just around you. And the feeling cannot be really described. So it's a negative one, of course.
Have you ever experienced something like that in your family, in your house, in your neighborhood, probably?
Maybe I have I used to have some neighbors who often had fights. I don't know really details about it, but yes, I have.
So imagine that you are a witness in a scene of abusement, gender abusement.
Yes.
How do you think you were going to react?
The first thing to do is, of course, call the police. But before calling the police, you often ask yourself if that will be very good for both the big victim and the aggressor, because most of the time after the police comes, there are usually revenges, and maybe the police doesn't really solve the matter.
So what do you think we can do, or you can do as community with it?
Maybe set up associations which could maybe I don't know, do special programs, teach the community what to do, who to appeal to, maybe
in case
they face
getting abused.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time.
You're very welcome.
It was really a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.